Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply for American Airlines jobs, whether you're looking to start a career in aviation or explore new opportunities with one of the world's largest airlines. This guide will walk you through the entire application process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to jobs.aa.com. This is American Airlines' official careers portal where all current job openings are posted. Once the page loads, you'll want to locate the section that says Find Your Job and click on Search Open Jobs. This will take you directly to their job listing database where you can browse through all available positions. Now you have two options for finding the right role. If you already know what type of position you're looking for, you can use the search bar at the top to enter specific job titles or keywords. Alternatively, you can simply browse through the available jobs to see what catches your interest. Take your time here to explore different departments and locations that American Airlines operates in. Once you've found a job that interests you, click on the job listing to view the full details. This will show you the job description, requirements, and responsibilities. If it's a good fit, go ahead and click Apply Now. At this point, you'll be given two options for applying. You can either apply through LinkedIn, which will pull your profile information automatically, or you can apply directly on the website. Choose whichever method works best for you. Next, you'll need to upload your resume. Click on Upload Resume and select your file from your computer. If you don't have a resume ready or prefer to enter your information directly, you can click Fill Manually instead. This option allows you to type everything in manually as you go through the application. After uploading or filling in your resume information, you'll be prompted to type your personal information in the required fields. This typically includes your name, contact details, and address. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date, then click Next to proceed. The next few pages will ask you to fill out your work experience, education, and qualifications. Take your time with each section to ensure you're providing complete and accurate information. Each of these sections is important as they help American Airlines assess your fit for the role. Click Next after completing each page to move forward. You'll then be presented with application questions. These might include screening questions about your availability, work authorization, or specific qualifications related to the job. Answer each question honestly and thoroughly, then click Next. Finally, you'll reach the review page where you can see your entire application laid out before submission. This is your chance to double-check everything for accuracy and completeness. Look over each section carefully. If everything looks good, click Submit to send your application to American Airlines, and that's it. You've successfully submitted your application for an American Airlines job. The hiring team will review your application and reach out if they'd like to move forward with an interview. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.